again and welcome to part 3. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard. And I have a vague plan that includes these small dishes and this strange pair of glasses from the party section of Michael's. I want a dish of color that has plenty of my purples in it because I was playing with part 2 digitally. I'm going to move that somewhere else. And I liked how the tree looked when I accidentally made it purple. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'd like it to be more than just purple, but I'm not sure about anything right at this exact moment. Except for that my dog wants to play and his timing is not good. I'm kind of hoping to add colors to this after I make my tree base. Yes, I can hear you, Mr. Dog. I probably don't need everything I've got, but I will use a balloon to make the foliage for the tree, hopefully. We'll see. Let me get my stuff out of the way, and here comes my canvas. Oh, I have a little tool I made. We'll see how that works. I kind of want to find the chalk I had, but I don't see it. I cleaned up again. Darn, there it is. Oh, I'm getting better. There's just no doubt about it. So this is dollar store chalk, and I want to grab a darker color. Maybe the green? No. So let's try. Let's see if I can get a vague outline of where I want my tree. That's all I really want, just a little tiny bit of chalk. Here goes nothing. I really want a wider one of these, to tell you the truth, but I know the paint's going to spread out. And I'm going to use my little dish. As a shield. And just drag some of that paint right out. It occurs to me that the skewer is probably the better tool. For leading that paint. Kind of want some blue in there, but I think if I just keep thinning the paint by pulling it out, that I'll probably be okay. Even if I couldn't finish now, I'd probably still be okay. I'm probably going to lose some of that, some of those branches. I'm going to let my stem get a lot wider. And I'm going to probably use my skewer. Oh, I found some Prussian blue in there. Cool. Adding a little drama. Cool, cool. For a change, I don't think my head is in the way. So now it's time for me to decide what I want to do, and I think my leaves are going to be blue, but I'm not sure why. So I'm going to take turquoise instead, and because turquoise, and I like the color shift in green. And if I need a larger balloon, I'm going to use one, but in the meantime, I'm going to try and make sure that most of the paint, where I'm going to grip a hold of this tiny baby balloon, is gone so my hands don't slip. It's a balloon tree. I like rolling it. I'm going to want some more green, I can tell you now. Better be careful not to splodge. I want some more green right now. I like the moon shining through in the background. Mostly. She annihilates some of it. I kind of like the Prussian blue, which is probably just as good. A few drops of purple. Let's see if I'm right. Hold my finger under that. Yeah, I like that too. I don't know how far I want to go with this tree. I do kind of want a neat shape, as anybody would. Foolish girl. So I think I'm almost done, which means I should tell you guys that that was part 3. And part 1 and part 2 should be linked right under the video if you're just stumbling across this without knowing where part 1 and part 2 are. So check out my my channel by clicking my channel name or on my face, and I think I want another branch. I think I'm going to use my spatula to give myself another branch. Right down here. Yeah, I like that. One more balloon roll. So if you share my videos, you help me out. And if you are interested in a little Christmas shopping or shopping at all, for art supplies, I have an Amazon list. My Amazon link is below Show More underneath the video. Yes, I am. I'm pulling my balloon rolls because it makes more interesting patterns. And I'm going to have paint I got to figure out what to do with next. But I'm going to torch, and I'm going to show you guys, and I'm going to notice that I want that root to go further than it is. And I can have more paint because I've got more paint. There. Pretty happy with that. Yep, a few spirals aren't hurting my feelings at all. It's a spiral tree. I love it. Let's grab a little bit of paint from the green. Where is the green? I wonder if I started my timer. Yeah, I still have plenty of time left. I like the green. And it's not coming out too quickly, which means I can add it where I want it without fear of overburdening the painting. As long as I'm careful, that is. Just as an accent color, you know, because it zhuzhes it up a little bit. I kind of think the other green looks good too. I think I might like to add some of that while I'm at it, because it's so much closer to the, yeah, I like that too. I'm going to pick and choose my spots. Sorry, I'm quiet. I'm focused. I'd really like this not to get screwed up. And I'm loving so many little things about it that I need to tell you guys. I love you guys. Thank you for all the wonderful comments you leave me all the time to keep my morale up. And I do need that. YouTube is strange and getting stranger. My main source of income is going to have to be sale of art. So if you're ever inclined to be an art collector, I'm your girl. If you need a lesson in Spring Hill, I'm also your girl. And we're coming out with a second book for Christmas called Unlimited Possibilities, Fluid Acrylic Pouring, Unlimited Possibilities. And thank you guys for contributing all this time to help keep me painting. Really appreciate it a lot. There's a drawing on the end screens. That's better. I got what I wanted finally. And there's always a drawing on the end screens of every video that has an exhibition video that shares the prizes for that particular month. Yeah, I guess I wasn't done when I put it down. I like the balloon rolls, but I didn't like them as much as I liked them when I added the green spirals. So it's cutesy, but that's okay. I like it, and this paint will dry a lot darker. And if I need to do something to it tomorrow, like add highlights, I can do that too. So this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard, looking for her crib sheet. There it is. Look for my paint pouring recipe under the video. You can ask me questions if you want. I'll get back to you when I can. You'll also find under the video Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter. On my channel, you'll find playlists by genre, 11 of them, and 9 lists of 100. You will also find, underneath the video, you'll find my Amazon link, I might have said. First list is all art supplies, and Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatulas, and OXO omelet turning spatulas, best paint spreading spatula around, and things like this 48 feet of little tiny ball chain that I'm learning how to use, and I'll let you know as it goes. Also, thank you very much for everything. And I appreciate the thumbs up, and all the shares are a really big assistance to me. So you guys keep watching, please, please, please. It's the only thing keeping me here, so thank you for keeping me here. This is Priscilla Batzell. I said that already. Okay, well, you know who I am. And I need another green leaf down there, because that's just not right down there. Better. Even upside down, better. So I will see you guys anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out. Oh, I can go that way.